Hello and welcome. Today we would like to show you how machines stay safe in their life cycle. I am talking to our expert Kristian Schmidinger. He is Project Manager for Safety Solutions, and I am Jörg Packeiser, Marketing Manager for Safety. Kristian, what is the life cycle of a machine?
The typical life cycle is shown here. It starts with the processes at manufacturers and integrators. Here, machine safety must be ensured already during the development and design, and then also during installation and commissioning. With the commissioning, the machine is also handed over to the operating company, which is responsible for the safety of the machines from now on. This means during all operating and maintenance phases and until any disassembly.
Let's start with development and design. Here, knowledge of the applicable standards is crucial for an efficient and time-saving procedure. How do you keep track of the standards that are relevant for you? So which versions are currently up to date? And whether changes will affect your machine design? Kristian, can you give us some example from practice?
Sure. A current example are the changes in the standard EN 415-4, which describes the safety of packaging machines. For the first time, statements on the required performance level for safety functions are included, which must be taken into account with the machine design. Our experts always know the current status of the standards. This enables us to support you with tailored services so that you avoid possible loss of time.
Next comes the installation and commissioning. How can I know whether I have really bought a safe machine?
The first is validation, means testing of the safety concept in practice. And the second is an initial inspection. This work must be carried out by a qualified personnel, so-called competent persons. Ideally, these persons should be neutral. With our validation and inspection services, we offer such independent assessment. This is a good safeguard for both the manufacturer and the buyer to avoid unexpected additional costs.
Let's move on to the operating phase. How can you ensure the safety of your machines even after many years of use? Kristian, what is your tip on this?
Without support, this is often difficult. For a legally secure procedure, the tests must be carried out also by a suitable, trained, a competent person, who should work as independently as possible. Here we support you with our safety checks. We check the safety-related condition of your machines according to the current state of the technology. Or with our regular inspections. Here we check the mounting and function of the safety devices and their integration into the safe part of the machine. We also measure the stopping time, means the time from triggering a stop comment to the standstill of the dangerous movement. This allows us to evaluate the safety distance of the protective device and also the current wear of braking mechanisms. As you can see, these measures allow potential weak points to be identified at an early stage. This means for you, the personal and corporate liability risk is reduced and you offer your employees the safest possible working environment. Costs for possible occupational accidents are also avoided in a preventive way.
Modifications to machines are a special case. Reasons can be, for example, an increase in the degree of automation or a modernization of the safety concept. Many operating companies are faced with the challenge here. They need to find solutions that comply with standards and the current state of the art. But the necessary competencies are not always available in the company. How can we support here?
For this job too, we do have specialists who always know about the current state of technology. They provide support in simplifying complex tasks and help to limit the efforts to the necessary steps. We also offer complete safety solutions for more challenging safety concepts. This makes realization particularly easy for you, and it can increase your productivity through automatic processes. Here you can see some safety solution examples.
Kristian, thank you for this interesting information on machine safety. We would be pleased to accompany you with our services and solutions on your way to a permanently safe machine, as a manufacturer, integrator, or an operating company.